In today's competitive landscape, managing customer relationships effectively is essential for survival and growth. HighLevel is an all-in-one CRM solution changing the marketing game for businesses everywhere. What if the right CRM could be the key to scaling your operations seamlessly? Gone are the days of juggling multiple tools. HighLevel offers a streamlined, integrated approach. Is it the right fit for your specific business needs? Let's explore its unique features. CRM platforms have evolved significantly since the basic contact databases of the early 2000s. As larger companies dominate the market, smaller businesses often struggle with fragmented tools. HighLevel emerged in response to this fragmentation, serving marketing agencies and small businesses. Founded in 2018, HighLevel emphasizes integration and automation, simplifying your tech stack. What sets HighLevel apart is its agency-first approach, tailored for specific marketing needs. With white labeling capabilities, agencies can rebrand the platform, adding immense value to their clients. At its core, HighLevel excels at lead generation and capture tools that optimize your results. Custom landing pages can be created easily using drag-and-drop features, no coding required. Dynamic smart forms adapt based on user responses, improving conversion rates effortlessly. HighLevel's inbound call tracking captures leads from phone inquiries, integrating seamlessly into your database. Once leads are captured, HighLevel enables multi-channel communication to nurture them effectively. Automated SMS marketing lets you send personalized texts or manage conversations effortlessly. Email campaigns can be created with branded templates, ensuring consistent communication with clients. Adding a personal touch, HighLevel allows you to send personalized voice messages at scale. Ever thought about engaging customers through their social platforms? HighLevel integrates with Facebook Messenger. Efficient appointment scheduling is crucial for service-based businesses, and HighLevel has it covered. You can create customizable booking pages reflecting your unique business identity in seconds. Automated reminders ensure that no appointments are missed, reducing no-show rates effectively. HighLevel's advanced pipeline management tools allow you to visualize your sales process seamlessly. Customizable pipelines and actionable analytics give you the insights needed to optimize conversions. For agencies, HighLevel's white label advantage provides significant competitive leverage in the market. Utilizing custom branding helps agencies present a cohesive experience to their clients. Let's take a closer look at how HighLevel compares to other CRM platforms on the market. Pricing structures vary, but HighLevel's agency-focused model positions it favorably against alternatives. Overall, businesses from various sectors leverage HighLevel's capabilities for consistent growth. Consider starting your journey with HighLevel's 14-day free trial and discover its potential. HighLevel's comprehensive approach could be the solution you've been searching for in CRM.